Number 7. Managing your finances. Tips on managing your business finances, including setting a budget and tracking expenses. Hello and welcome to this video on managing your finances. As a business owner, it's important to keep track of your finances to ensure your business remains profitable. Here are some tips to help you manage your finances effectively. First, create a budget that includes all of your business expenses and revenue streams. Stick to your budget and adjust it as necessary. Second, keep accurate records of all your business transactions, including invoices, receipts, and bank statements. Use accounting software to help you track your expenses and revenue. Lastly, hire a professional accountant or bookkeeper if necessary to ensure your finances are in order and comply with tax regulations.